So welcome to another lecture. In this lecture again we'll be solving few interesting problems. I think we'll be doing two problems in Maths Olympiad, and if time permits we'll do physics problem also. So let's start. Now, in all the Olympiad, in the series of Olympiad questions that I'm doing, what I'm suggesting again and again is that these are the questions which will take you a bit beyond your syllabus. And the best thing about these kind of problems is that they'll teach you something new in a sense, a new way of looking at a question. So for example, when this is a question, just we understand that we can't use brute strength implies that I can't do the square of 2025, 2024, and then add. That is not how you do it. Of course I can't use a calculator also. So let me just look at the numbers. So 24, 25, 26. So these are the three numbers. There is something called symmetry. The symmetry concept is there in maths also, in science also. So when we look at these three numbers, we understand that there's a symmetry around 25. So 24 on one side and 26 on the other side. Now what I do is, and that is what I'm saying, these are the kind of skills, these are the kind of new observation skills that you'll realize once you start doing questions like these. So what I do is I consider 2025 to be A. So what that implies is that 2024 would be A minus 1 and 2026 would be A plus 1. A minus 1 and A plus 1. So what does this do? What this does is that 2025 now can be written as A square plus 1 whole upon A minus 1 whole square plus A plus 1 whole square. Now try to solve this. That's why I consider this to be a beautiful question, because suddenly you'll realize that whole of the question falls. It will just fall to a very small number and you'll be surprised. Try to do this. You can pause the video here. Try to solve this denominator and you will see what happens. So this is what will happen. You open the you open the denominator. You open the denominator, and suddenly this cancels. This is twice of a square plus 1, and the answer is half. Now, that's a funny thing about this question, that it seems to be so difficult, but by applying basic logic, the question just falls and the answer is so simple. It's just half. So I hope you enjoyed it, and now we'll go to the next question.